Hello, it's Tonette. What a completely different perspective I have on my van. I took out one of the center seats. That one will go during camping season, but I still need it for the boys. But it seems so much more roomy in here. I'm liking it. And with taking that chair out, I had to be a little creative. So I got me some mats and some more mats to cover up the knee breaker. But I'm pretty excited. Camping season is right around the corner. Grandma's adventure mobile will hopefully be taking her maiden voyage soon. All right, you guys, have a good one, and I'll talk to you soon.